Hi for one, welcome back to the channel. I thought this is actually a very good idea for a video. Yeah. I don't have my green screen yet, I still need to put my green screen up, but I made a Kendo, almost just Kendo stuff. Just look at here. That was it. Oh my god. Oh, this is the best idea ever. Sometimes you don't have to do it realistic. Ah, it's so much fun, especially the one. I'm gonna put the green screen up. Here we go. Good morning, Vietnam. I hope you guys can see something. It looks really dark, but oh, the best idea ever, man. Let's see actually how many people do we got here. Let's see, it's 1 to 10. It's kind of weird, but there were 10 people in here, but most of the people or they lagged out. Some people were talking about lag, and then he just disappeared out of the server. So I think I get the idea that his PC just lagged out. It is actually not that bad. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, that is a lot of lag. It's the sun. Holy moly, they're going nuts right now. Oh my god. Here comes the sun. Look at that. It's crazy. The lag is still, it is laggy, I know. Oh no way, they're going nuts. Oh no. Oh, you gotta love it. Oof. Oof. Wow. Yeah, it's a lot of particles, but it's not that laggy. Oh no. What did he just shoot? Okay, the lag is disappearing. Oh, you gotta love it. It doesn't make any sense. Oh man. Yeah, this is definitely. Oh yeah, that's a good way of joining the server right now. I really love that the chat thingy right there is giving on when people are joining. Holy crap. So sorry, you people. So sorry. The Gigaballs, he was one of the first guys that just joined the server. And there was another guy that was talking about lag, and then he disappeared, so I hope his PC is still good. There it is. There's the hamburger, but that's not from Kendo, by the way. It could have been a Kendo. Well, for sure. It's in the rockets. Was it the rockets? Yeah. It was in the rockets, like the hamburger. No, it's. Yeah, we're just gonna do that one as well. Yeah, welcome off everyone, welcome to the server. Yeah, you gotta love it. Did I actually shoot these? Oh, I did, okay. That doesn't make any sense. It's almost that I'm not playing Fireworks Mania, because we were always playing it very realistic, seriously, like not a lot of spam or anything. Really big show coming, oh god. Oh god. Really big show coming. Oh, I'm intrigued. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh my god. Look at the colors. And there's another one somewhere going up. Look at that. The fun. Oh! Oh, yeah. And he's obviously gonna walk with it. Of course he is. Oh my god. What happened? Other be so serious. Yeah, well. There's no way. If you put in those fireworks, holy crap. Oh no way. Look at that. Am I still Santa? I'm still Santa. Okay. Green screen is good actually, yeah. I was like, this is a perfect idea for a video for sure. I think I need to have a, oh perfect, turn it off. There we go, actually in the middle. There we go. Holy moly. It doesn't make any sense. What the heck? Ah, you gotta love it. Yeah. Just to have a laugh, you want a server, and everyone is behaving really well right now. I thought someone's gonna shoot the someone's gonna shoot the cannon. It looks like the cannon. I love the cannon because the particles on it. Oh, that is the big one. Okay, the rocket is still going. Oh man, what a disaster. That was in tube as well. Yeah, this is the real cannon. And I'm gonna shoot. I hope the television isn't doing anything. Actually, turn it off. Superstars just turn it off. Oh, did I actually shoot it already? I did, I think. Oh, there it goes. I gotta love it. Onward. It is loud. It is so loud. Whoa, where's that smoke? Whoa. Where's that smoke coming from? Oh, someone just left. I don't blame him. I don't blame him. There goes the rocket. Oh, it goes through the clouds. Yep, there he is. Goodbye. Oh, I'm so happy I used this Meadows map. Look at that smoke! Where is that smoke coming from? Oh, the game just froze for a second there because it's obvious. Oh, there goes smoke. Okay, so the smoke goes away now. Holy moly! What is that smoke? Nice. Yeah, the particle system on Kendo's fireworks is so nice. I know, it's a monstrosity to look at. MC, if you're gonna look at this video, we'll probably like close to New Year, so we'll probably release the video. Oh wait, this is actually perfect. Oh, that is beautiful. That's actually kind of beautiful. Oh, and with the explosions, oh look at that! Jesus, bro! Of course they're gonna leave. You gotta love it. There go the rockets. Holy moly, there's just fireworks and lights everywhere. Oh no, oh no. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Where's that? Where's that? I can see it. Sure. Let's do that. FM, here we go. And then it's, I believe, clear. Here we go. No, not log, clear. Here we go. There we go. Here you go. Oh my god, man. Oh. Peace. Yeah, exactly. Let's go again. How many people are actually still in the server? How many people are still... Wow, the Gigaballs is really loving it. The same for me. I mean, come on. Like... Oh my god, the sound is insane! Wow, that exploded instantly. I think it just hit the trees. It's somehow like... Oh, it's so laggy. It's somehow... It's... Oh, okay. Yeah, let's go. Well, guess not. Here we go, here we go. Yeah, the particle system is like impact based or something. It's really weird. His fireworks is like, or his shells, you know. Yeah, this, yeah, you can see it just instantly explodes. Wow, look at the colors. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's not gonna end well. Well, here goes our server. Oh! It didn't work. Here we go. Oh my god. And he's also shooting a lot of stuff back there. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh, because... Oh, okay, so it's still typed. Interesting. There we go. Oh, wait! Oh, this is a beautiful shot. Here we go. Maybe that's the winner? Oh, so. Oh, that was a lot. Perfect. Oh, there's something going on in the background there. Yeah, I was like, at the start of the server, I really actually didn't really think about recording anything. Yeah, for sure. That word. Oh, look at that. It's still like, it's kind of fireworks. Look. Those are so big. It's just ridiculous. It is ridiculous. Oh, is there someone like going off there? Like he's going nuts. Whoa! Dude. Oh, there we go. I love the sound. It's so good. It is so ridiculously big. Here we go. Wow. Thunder. Oh. Okay. Because it froze for a second. Insane. Okay, so it calmed down for a second now. It is very calm. Oh, there we go. Of course, it's just for a brief moment. Yeah, it's really weird that his somehow his shells. Yeah, look at that. They just hit something, they instantly explode. Look at the particle system. It's like it's beautiful. Especially with the cannon. I think you guys already saw that. Oh, it's really nice and calm now, and people are joining, so that's actually perfect time. Perfect time to join. I don't think it's really enticing if people are joining when everything's getting spammed or there's so many. He's doing it again. You can see there. I do. I have my flashlight. I do have my flashlight on. Okay. Oh, it's this one. So weird. Oh, oh, there he goes again. I don't know what he's doing there. What the heck? It's just particles everywhere. Oh, well, you can see that thing. Oh yeah, the show cannon is not shooting anything, but we can do this one. I will show you guys. Oh my god, so laggy. I don't know if that is because the bug has started up again. What? It exploded over there? No way. Oh, there are people joining again. That's really nice. Okay, let's do it again. There you go. Did it work now this time? Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, look at the particle system on the cannon. It's so beautiful. I like that people are just like they're just leaving. They're done. They're like, yeah. I mean, yeah. Yeah, I called the server a random crap, so they were warned. Yeah. If you want to join something you just want to roleplay, I would just suggest joining a server where it's like only realistic or only MST fireworks, I would say. Someone just used fireworks from MST right now, it looks like. Oh, Oh my god. Yeah, so I believe this one is also pretty cool to see. Yeah, that is those are the fries. That's the fries for ours. Yeah, this one is, yeah. Oh, it's so stupid, and it just goes and goes, and then, oh, okay, it didn't hit the ground yet. Oh, you gotta love it. Oh god. Oh god, what's going on over there? It is very flashy. I didn't install any fireworks from from Super, by the way, Super Joyful. I just really wanted to do as much from just the most ridiculous fireworks there is. This one, I love this one because I believe it's very loud. What is that? I think he just typed on accident. There's someone walking there. It is so laggy. And he's going nuts back there. Yeah, I did put the spam, like no spam on the server. I'm like, yeah, I don't think that's gonna work with all these fireworks, you know. It is not bad. You know, it is not bad. Oh, this is actually a perfect shot here. Here we go. Just trying to so many people. He just joined, by the way. You can still see his Taki's join thingy. Yeah, I know, you guys. You really need to read the description before you join. I didn't say a lot in the description, but I just called the server random crap, so you know, there's something to expect. Is this game still going? Oh, it is. Okay, so I'm gonna see if someone actually made a Peter Griffin cake. No. I need to play. Oh yeah, it's so good. Let me see. It really is. They're just spamming the Peter rocket. It's nice, and I actually want to say roomy. Let's just say roomy. Kinda a word, right? There we go. Ooh, it's so calm. Let's actually clear. Should I clear fireworks? Oh. It stays laggy. I'm afraid that we are in the. Yep. Whoa! Whoa! Damn! Fire hazards for sure. Oh! That sounded really far away. What was that sound? So weird. What is he doing? Yep. Oh, oh, here we go. Uh-oh. Let's go. Yeah, for sure. So many. Oh, there's someone going off. Oh, people are going nuts again. How many are there actually in the server? Yeah, not a lot of people there left. We are now 20 minutes in. Oh, that's perfect. I think the start is definitely. Yeah, he's like, yeah, I don't think so. I think the start of the video was the perfect moment. I think you guys had a good laugh. Oh my god. Yeah. Nice. It's like his fireworks is a particle system in his fireworks. It is it is not laggy. You can see that someone literally fires off, I don't know how many tubes, a 10 at a time or something, and the lag is not even that bad. Oh, that was a big one, I think. No? No. Yeah, must have been cut off by now. No, nothing there. It's so quiet again. And we're still with 3 people. Oh, oh! What is that? Oh, there we go. It's literally like going in a fan shape. Oh my god. You can see the leg. It is not even that bad. The whole sky is like filled with fireworks. The whole sky is just fireworks. Yeah. I've got to adjust. Okay, whatever. Alright, he's doing something there. It's gonna be more fireworks soon. Yeah. Oh! Whoa! Where did that one go? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he found the nuclear rockets. Oh no. These things sound so sick. Now they're coming this way, I think. Or are they getting stuck? It feels like they're coming this way. Oh yeah, they definitely do. Oh yeah, look at that. It's so weird how the smoke works here. I don't know, it just feels like it's different. It just works different. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like I'm looks like I am on my desktop with OBS. That's why you guys could see OBS. Normally you guys can see that. Oh yeah, I always prioritize the game. I should do that again. What was the explosion? Let's do the melon. Even with the melon tubes. You gotta love it. Jesus. Oh, someone found a realistic cake. He was like, you know, let's just do normal. Yep. 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 Go, go. God, what did he make? Oh, 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 oh! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh, look at that! Whoa! I see it on the screenshot. Oh, oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Oh, he left. Oh, and he is still his joint thing is still there. So he didn't last long. Oh, I love this one. Yeah, this one is okay. This one is ridiculously big. So weird. This one is so weird. It's like yeah, that one is so big. Oh, that's what she said. Perfect. Yeah, was that going fishing? It looks like a different color. I think it's. I think so. But that one's really small, so we're gonna shoot it in the forest. Sorry about that. It's so quiet again. Actually, let's see. Oh. But he just left, the D-Day guy, right? Did he join again? Yeah, I think that one screenshot is what the screenshot that everything. Oh, I see. They're still joining. Ah, okay. Oh. Oh, I thought someone just joined just like right now and he just left again. No, he didn't. Oh god, that's so sick from there. And he's gonna shoot it in there. I'm just gonna look to see where he is. Is that him? Could be that's him. Who asked to actually? Oh, it's the Giga also. Again. Do you see me? I have to turn my heart on? Yeah, it's okay. Here we go. Is it him? Yeah, here we go. Oh. What's the plan? Oh. Look. Okay, here we go. We're teaming up. What should we do? What should we do? We need something ridiculous. Oh. What do you say? There's about something that we put together. Okay. It is so laggy. And no one is doing anything. So I think that has to do with the bug again. Lomania was talking about that. That sometimes the bug can, the FPS bug. It can. Oh, he's working also. Oh, he does. Oh, that's awesome. Teamwork. Oh no. Oh, someone's doing something over there. Oh, there's someone over there as well. It's so cool that you can just random fireworks are spawning somewhere. Here we go. We're just gonna do it instantly. Oh, this is gonna be bad. This can't be good. Oh no. There we go. Oh, the red one. No, okay. Ok. You're true. You're right. You see, people can be reasonable. Oh wait, I need to remove. Oh, whoops. There we go. There we go. So not red then. Okay. I'm not hearing them. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm fusing them. Good. Oh, there was a cannon again. So I'm using a cannon there. Almost there. Almost there. Yep. Ready to. Oh, he's got an idea. Yep. There we go. Oh my god. Oh, here we go. He has an idea. Uh-oh. Sure. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Let's go. Light it. Go, 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 go. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we gotta pause. Oh, that's gonna go so fast. Yep. Oh, that's sick. Oh, some of them are hitting the trees. Oh, and there it goes. Wow. Whoa, that is sick. Oh my god. Again, the lag is not even it's not even getting worse, or the FPS actually. It's going down. Whoa, what was that? Whoa! Wow, it's like the spheres are so big that... Wow. Whoa. That was sick. That was good. Yeah, let's go. We're now doing it anyways. Ooh. Let's do it. Okay. Let's go. I'm just gonna walk with someone. Random community guy. He's having fun. Yeah. Damn. A lot of green. Wait, where? Oh, that's Shane Feng or something. Sorry about if I'm saying the name incorrectly. It's something that shoots in different directions. Okay. Oh, he's gonna show me. Oh, like that. Okay. Like that. Sure. Let's do it. Sure, let's do it. Let's do it. Spider guy? Yeah, sure. It has a pretty big tube, so it's pretty good. Let's do... What do you want? And we put it together. Okay, so someone... Oh god. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a cake. Okay. Yeah, I need to get used to that. We're just shooting off giant spheres and cannons and... yeah. It's like... It's like you're starting to doubt that you're playing First Mania. Oh, we found the cakes, I guess. Someone is an Amnesty supporter. I'm too, don't get me wrong, but on this server it's all just goofy stuff. Let's put some of these things going fishing. It really looks like one of those floaters. It really does. We're gonna do everything fast again, I would say, right? So laggy, it's crazy laggy. It sucks that that bug is just doing it again. But that is the experience of playing First Mania, I guess. Put that together. Is he like connecting those as well? Yes, okay. Look at all those tubes. Sure. Go. Oh, oh! Oh, here we go! Whoa! I forgot that the green ones had was really weird explosion. Wow, that's the going fishing. Whoa! Oh, and these are all the way over there. Kind of interesting. Holy crap! Ah, man, you gotta love it. It's beautiful. You now half an hour? That was nice. Oh no! Oh no, which cake is that? Actually, I want to know. Oh, that's so... It is still not laggy, I just can't see the frames anymore, if it's laggy or not. Oh, it's that one, okay. It's the magic one. Rabbit escapes. Another skips the head. Yeah. Yeah, that one, oh yeah, now it's definitely going lower as frames drop. And then it goes back to something. Let's see if it looks like he didn't connect this one. Oh yeah, I didn't. Oh yeah, he didn't. Oh, he's doing something again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's so nice that he randomized it. Oh. He's really loving his cakes. I think that's the Meng Sheng guy. I'm looking over here. I can just look in the server tab. It is the... Oh yeah, Sheng Feng. Marcus Razor still in there. And they say that he's still in there as well, but he just left. Did he just join again? Did he just maybe crash that some people are leaving? That their PC just crashing? Or the game crashes? That they're still in there? So because they never left the server? Because they crashed? Maybe. Maybe. Oh, there he goes again. It's so much fun. Ah, I know, right? It is so much fun. Just to have some weird, goofy things. Yeah, this thing is just beautiful. We're gonna shoot it right towards him. Perfect. Just scare him a little. It is somewhere. There is a fuse somewhere. Oh, there we go. It is the weirdest hitboxes. Holy moly, that is awesome. And he's doing something again. He has a nice show going on there. Yeah, he's just done. He's like, yeah, you know, we're just gonna do something. Oh, one more way. One more way. There we go. Perfect finish. Yeah, that one has a weird hitbox. Oh, okay. He's just gonna. He just removed it, I guess. Yeah, it's like we're on a kind of a balanced frame rate drop. So many shells. For sure. Yeah, it is. Funny as heck. Nice. So stupid. Yeah, if I should choose a favorite, of course we're gonna go for the 100. But my really top one that wins is this one, because this one has the particle system is just insane with this one. Oh. Okay, well. Ready? Go, go. Yep. Oh, it's from, 5, 4, okay, here we go. Go! Go, 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 go. Oh, you guys didn't even see the cannon back there. Oh, here we go! Oh! Some of them are going so quick. Poor computer. Oh, those are the ones that are so loud. I think so. Right? No, no, they're not. No, we would have heard them by now. Oh my god. In the sky, for sure. That is a lot of fireworks. Oh, oh, oh! Oh, he's going nuts. He's like done. He's like, you know, I tried, you know, to be realistic. I tried. Yeah, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. If there's Kendo fireworks in there, it's like, I did it like, I think it was months ago that, oh no, of course not. I think that's a year ago. Whoa. That's a year ago, I think, that I played the multiplayer beta. And that was like, how long was that? Like a few months? Maybe 1 month? 1 month, okay. Good words. Yeah, I think it was a year ago. And Kendo's fireworks was in there as well. It was also included in the... oh, damn. It was also included in the multiplayer beta. And next, it was, you know, it was last year. And, oh god. He's definitely having fun as well. Oh yeah, that's the one. And also Kendo's, not all the fireworks in there. Not everything was in there. Electric cannons were in there. But most of the of his shells were in there. Or tubes, you know, shells. And yeah, everyone was just using this, and now we can just go nuts. So it's so much fun because we can make our own servers and choose our fireworks. Back then it was so simple. It's just colliding against all the trees. Okay. Oh no. I'm gonna get into over you guys. Go nuts. Our last show. Go nuts. Let's go. Oh. Get everything you got. Okay. And he's also doing something, I guess. Yeah, those are the guys. They're definitely they're the Shang Feng, and the rest I have no idea if they're still in here. Maybe they're just AFK, and Gigaballs is really loving it. He's liking it. There you go. This is the end. This is definitely silence before the storm, for sure. Scary stuff. Scary stuff going on. Whoa. Look at those particles, like the gravity. It doesn't make any sense. Oh, oh! Oh, it's so stupid. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh! So he was like, just do something. Oh, you gotta love it. That one was broken. Some of the things are obviously not, I think, just not updated or something. Some of the particles just break. It is so quiet. That's always like, that's nerve-wracking, right? It's never a good sign. Nice. Oh, 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 whoa! I like that he's like always standing further into the forest. I gotta love those. Oh man, stupid loud. Oh, did he just send something? I have no idea. Sometimes I can't see. Yeah. Come over here. Oh, I'm on my way. The lag is definitely getting worse. Or the FPS, I would say. The FPS. You know, lag and FPS is way different. Oh, look at that. Nice. Ooh. Whoa. Oh. It's a 2. Whoa. Ooh. Sick. Look at that. Actually make a screenshot. Oh. Would have hoped he was standing on there. Oh, go on the top. Perfect. Okay. Maybe we're gonna use that. Maybe we're gonna include it in the thumbnail. We'll see. Yeah, he just shot towards us. He's declaring war. Nice. He's so calm about this. I'm like, everyone's just shooting shells everywhere, and he's like, I'm just making a show here, you know. Don't bother me. I'm like, is that what they? Oh yeah. Ah, it's beautiful. Oh wait. Oh wait. Oh, I thought there was someone walking there with the flashlight. Oh. Ooh, okay. I have the honors. Ooh, okay. But wait, okay, right. We're gonna wait. These things are still there. They haven't despawned, so I think these were just not ignited. Where? In the middle? In the middle there? In the middle one, okay. Here we go. No. Gotta wait. Anticipation, here we go. Make a countdown. Oh yeah, okay. Sure, let's do that. Okay. Here we go. 5. Oh! 5. Damn it. 4. 3. 2. Wee wee. 1. Go. Oh, wait. Wow. That was perfect. Oh, he's shooting something. You may have a great day. Giga. Nice. He was a nice guy. He probably also watches my videos, I think so. Alright. This was it. Perfect. He was a nice guy. He was fun. He really wanted to play along. Let's see if we still got the frames in the menu. Oh yeah, so that's definitely the bug. Okay. So it's still like, we're still trying to figure out where that bug is coming from, but we'll see. If we can find it, it would be something. If that bug is really like terminated. You know. Okay, I'll see you guys next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. This was definitely a fun idea. I was like, I will see what happens, and I was like, oh, everyone's just going nuts. So this is a fun video. Yeah, alright, see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you guys had some fun Christmas days, because this is after Christmas, this video. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I'll see you guys next one. Bye-bye.